The regular use of fluorides prevents tooth decay through multiple effects. Fluorides promote the restorage of minerals from the saliva into the tooth enamel. They also inhibit the decalcification of the teeth. They also have an antibacterial effect against caries causing bacteria. If teeth are to remain healthy for a long time, they need fluoride, among other things. The first milk teeth of your child should be cleaned immediately after the breakthrough 1x daily with a pea-sized amount of fluoride-containing children's toothpaste. Do not use creams with a fruit or candy taste, as these will induce your child to swallow them. From the second birthday onwards, children should brush their teeth twice a day with fluoride-containing children's toothpaste. From the 6th birthday, clean 2x daily with fluoridated adult toothpaste. Fluoride jellies and varnishes or solutions should only be used according to dental instructions. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please contact us in our practice or make an appointment. We are at your service.